Alright y'all, so this is part 3 of my day out at Barber's Motorsports Park at the Vintage Festival. I'm going to pick up at the BMW tent. I hope y'all enjoying it so far. Y'all stay tuned.
How you doing, man?
Any idea what their schedule is over here? Sorry? Any idea what their schedule is over here?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
No, you know, you think they'd be handing out brochures.
Yeah. Everything's online now. It's 1000. Oh yeah, he got that bike tricked out. The tank is cut.
Yeah, he'll be standing up on the back of him. He has a girl standing up on the back of him sometimes.
Yeah, okay.
Last year, I think he had a Harley Davidson for his bag. Makes sense since he's doing this event. BMW.
Got the bag zip tied. Got the bag zip tied.
Oh, Lord, yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit beat up, ain't it?
Yeah, it beat up.
I wouldn't hold it against him, though, because considering what he does.
Yeah.
What I wanted to do today, for fun, is to walk you guys through a couple of things that law enforcement officers do on these bikes. What I like to call foundationally the way that we approach these big, heavy motorcycles, to be able to be comfortable, confident, capable in slow speed, tight environments. This is a sports touring motorcycle. It's a pretty big, heavy girl. So, as we all know, when you go slow in tight environments, it can be kind of scary. We want to put our speed down. We don't like the fact that gravity is starting to take hold of these things as the lean angles increase. Well, so how do we do this? How am I riding this thing like a little magic carpet ride, just floating around on it? Cosmetology is part of it, but the other part of it is these 3 foundational things we do in law enforcement that are different. And I'm going to walk you through those really quick. The first thing, and really the most profound in this fundamental stuff, is the way that we use the clutch. So if I was to tell you, hey, how do we make, ask you, how do we make a motorcycle go? And you're going to say, well, you give it gas, you give it throttle. So I say no, that's not the right answer. We make this motorcycle go by where the friction zone is in the clutch, meaning that if I have the clutch all the way out, this motorcycle goes. I'm fully engaged, power from the motor to the rear. If I have the clutch all the way in, I have no engagement from the motor to the rear. So why that's important is, if I want
Person behind him is going to be on the right, and then the left, and then the right, and the left, and the right, all the way back. We are going to play in some twisties, so when we get to those, of course, pick a line that's going to get you through the corner as safely as possible. And then when you pop out the other side, just go back to your staggered formation, all right? Any questions so far? Awesome. If you need the attention of your ride lead for whatever reason, you picked up a nail, your tire's going flat, there's a warning light saying your bike's about to explode, I don't know, whatever. If you need our attention, flash your high beams, okay?
All right, snuggle in, snuggle in. You guys can see it?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so most of these motorcycles are keyless. If there's a key, you're gonna go ahead and turn that on. If not, you've got this little pad here, you're gonna press and release that. Now, if you don't have a key and you don't have a pad, you'll actually have a button over on this right-hand side that says PWR, stands for power. You're just gonna press that, and that'll turn the computer on. You're gonna have these yellow lights flashing. They're a little bit hard to see with the sun shining in there, but those are gonna turn off once you get rolling, so you don't need to worry about all of those, okay? Most of them are gonna have ride modes. The mode is in different locations depending on what model you're on, but for the most part, they're kind of up in this corner. You would just toggle through, find one that you like, and let it switch over.
Alright, so we'll be riding this BMW bagger.
Take a left, and there's a parking lot.
ready to ride, baby. It feels good. I'm good. Can you adjust the windshield?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Ooh, this is a funny feeling, boy. It's like an upright position. This is an upright position, but it feels good though. K1600, I like this. It's comfortable, man. Quiet. Oh, this thing quiet. Alright, y'all, this BMW engine was so quiet, I ended up stalling it out. It was just too quiet, so don't laugh at me. I must say, it has some get up to it now. clutch is really, really light. I gotta find that sweet spot on the clutch, but I keep stalling it out. I must say, I was very impressed with the handling. It handles really well. Uh-oh, we missing some riders. Oh, here they come. They just lagging back. Overall, this bike's feel good. It's a different ride position. You're actually sitting straight up, per se. And it's not bad. Got some get up and go to it. It's quiet. Why police officers use these bikes. They'll get up and go. This is definitely a comfortable bike. It doesn't feel bad on my back. Shifts out good, they clean. I like the handlebars, how they up. Seems like it's pretty nimble too. BMW rides so good, you can get sleepy on this thing. It's so quiet, but it rides good though. Yeah, you might as well trade that in.
So the GS is definitely a little more.
Yeah, comfortable for you.
Bigger, wider handlebars. The sitting position is more comfortable.
Yeah. Hey, it's nice to meet you, man.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
All right, y'all, so I'm out here just doing some test ride at Barber's Motorsports. It's nice out here, a lot of motorcycles. I've met a lot of people. Joe, what's up, man? Blue Bike Doyle, him and his wife, I met him. Nice to meet y'all, it was a pleasure. But yeah, it's nice out here. It's lovely out here.